oba before no anu ye share mo bom panifo enu mu share so ka si so se no ankomo no wo se to aso ye nua be ma no letter no a wode aba ya ni nyina gina na yiri a wo ware ni se si ya no oba na ansa na obeware kra na asem nyina ne se be mo be break ne first de wo ye de wono na obeware no nti anu so ne mpa ye nti awrade ma no nya saa ma no kwantimfi na kwabrane bi beto no mo na abayo meka na asemi asori kase ye wo mamu ne papa eye bia na abrante no so na ase na nimonyam ne bia kata no so nti wono so ewo nimonyam esa eye be mafoforo no a na rapist no nti asam na omo anka no wo eye nyan anko police station ye kan no wo fie asori nti wanhwa na nimguase aka asori na ase asori no moment ye nsiesie yesiesie na be oba na dwene eboni mu se de obe break no no anti no safa ho ne no ekotwe empena na nko mo hwe ani mu se nke be ya ware ba parent ne ka se da bi kwan of aso no e break o nti o mo mpene ena nyame ncha adom a wonya be ma foforo nenso oba no still de o break no no adwene e da so woni mu nti wo ware ye nyina akire no na one be ma no e wo ho covid ye mu na e reveal sa security de aba me kai wo bi ana no wanti aha na wate ase yi enti yade ni bia kire na wono so wo underlining condition bi nti no ba bi oda no emu oden ti na wo so obesere bone fache wo ne girlfriend no ekunu ho se ne yere ne de o yusu afidie no anti no ba bi oda no so mu oden fa no bone ncha na nsana wa so be free mu a wa free mu ti be ma no ne yere na wo ne kunu ni sesi ya no na cha se wo hu de wonye ontumi mfa ncha cha so dwen ho a wontumi mfa nche no enso obeya boa no pen titru se ono so twa fa hu mire bi ono wankasa kora no obeya de che no ntini die enso no den so ono so ntumi mfa nche wadwene aye bibia wontumi emfa enche obo na sre bo no fa che wasre bibia se fa che no na se adwe we ni ntia wo mfa nche so be ma ne se wontumi enti nkomo no enne die no egina divorce awari jaye eno ade no ye hwe topic no wankasa na councilor Lutrot ne so pani donko rape ho de no je yini nyina na nkomo na yede tie na ne ye ba we divorce so pani no pe me mu ache mu akwa
ya ni aba na ba che te sei
yankopon adom bibia aboko
amen nwa ye fe
so nwa ye fe papa
wow
papa
nyame ya nyame
abofo bia da romanti ene yenya kwa atena se na yede pensempensemu ya na Afisem yi bro yemfa sedama Franco Trading Enterprise for ye don wase papa ene brem so wugu so na wo sponsor da so ta wachi a na fa sedama no wasa asrempa ye nso de ama no fise mu oden na so Franco se wono ye bekwa no pa wi anwumere wono ye na nti se wo fon no asa de a ya ko Franco Trading Enterprise wono kotobi ana wo pe TV e de abo dem enne nkoda no so ye sua de e wo internet ne so se laptop e na wo pe nkora de mpanifo de a Franco woni nyina bi nti nya Franco Trading Enterprise atena ye bi abowura ho na kokope bi to emaye yeda se na farmer konso ene si animu hai se no unha ho krampo enko mo shop ana pepepepepe for no bi dabi o de just a matter of funko ofra wo mo a package no wo ho ye be ye bi kama nso na ye de abro ena ayi Priscilla ese ayi so ho DBS ho enchansen papa wo so the board na so wo so abeka ho yeda se papa DBS enchansen eno ne papa awoyi anase wia be body edene wonte odomo so the condition mu nyunu pa enti mu amoda na du ne moso no Mr. Onya DBS die ne bi na faguso na emmo wo mu na ebo ya chidom na yetena se edi nkomo papa msa mu akwa bebe
ye nuaba
yede nyame ase se wo ma de nso ache ne ye beto aye nkomo no so se ye koda ne ya nsori anke ento aso
dabi
aha enti no ye hwe enra se de yedi mu enkomo no ye kan be si rape no ebe di asem ni nyina be ne ye pese ye hwe divorce ba ye mo ne tofa eno ade ne ye mo ne tofa ne mra ne divorce no so se de ma bi kan aka asem no
okay bi di kan ye che etiefo ahwefo ene adofo a omenya mmere ama Adom TV ya minshira wo na enro ano emi se eye maame na asem na oba na asem no
be ma na asem no de ba ye
be ma na asem no de ba okay be ma na asem no de ba ye concerning the yere wakoya de bone no emi se enro ano ye kasafa asafo no bone o mkata so say it's not right for the church to cover sin. We need to rebuke sin. And number 2 so ye be kasafa rape ho The rape name is Yakokaya. Yeah, Yakokaya. And yesterday say it's no good. There was a issue near report to my police. Na police bem na ya bayasem. There so abusiane kata so no. That is the root cause of all these things. Na enano ye kwa na ye divorce. Is as eye be man na otia wade na se no. A wotwe krata de ba ye ne kire se de ne yera ye ne se wafa ne chi a wate ana wo hu no aye ne ya ama eye ne ya nso no oda ene atenka wo awade ni mu no ate na ni so nti opese ojai na ade kakra be pesa me kan ansan be ready divorce no me say it is the cheating the oba no ye fa wo fa ni ku cheating no eno na di divorce na ba no enti na che se pesa be ka se eye bibi na trigger divorce se bibi an trigger divorce divorce bibi ne ko peprada san ye kan wo bibi na akọ ade na ba divorce abanya san kamba na the pesa be ka say a lot of married men and married women are cheating these days. You what I say now? Cheating, you know, say akwaya common. Wabati awadia say na ninje na enyoman koye bana. The air is already jewa bontin. Onya bi eno no. Bema enso eti awadia say no free say the yiri enye ne ne wopa. The to aso aya be kopa nije na. There are many factors and reasons why people cheat. It be a spiritual, it be a mental. It be emotional, it be a physical. Yes, these are reasons. Now, if I want to go deep into it, so thank you. Okay, it be a physical issues. Sabi, it be a physical issues. Near obadi ni mediane noa. It be a wonim kasa. Natadi shemu enkoye. People can cheat. Some men can look at that and say, "The Messiah began fan home." Ebi so ye mental issues ohun ofede na so me hu but abontin su ni de mi hu adwen no thank you cheating is be a spiritual and no say atama ho just say we say ujaya ya utumi jai I part of you I just say we you don't see anything wrong with it in the business emotional and the end the demand do watching mema o ma mani nje ebi asabe oni minya empaso kitahudie yie ebia otiatia me ebia or abuse me you know whether verbal or you know or abuse me ebia or workaholic there be why busy for money but me when I want to talk thank you and then a lot of men think that once you can put money on the table no but you see you can give a woman everything you want to give them if you cannot give them your attention they will cheat now cheating na yake boss nyina no Yanka said cheating is good. But there are factors that will make people cheat. But we are not saying that cheating is good. Et Yanka said, Uku ye say, ko. Oyiri ye say, ko. Enutia Now, let me say this. Adiabako what cheating when he said, anytime you cheat, you lose your respect. You lose your dignity. Wobua we get a woman eko. Wobua okun woma eko what I say your excuses are ye dey yes but emwa etini e beka say u cheat ya jai because enye cheating ya ena awade eguso ba I'm not sure divorce will come patros what I say so the cheating is the cause of the divorce now let's talk about the divorce bema no e person wo jai na yere
oso odo no ni ho
Adenti odoni ni ho. Odoni ni ho biem because ne yere akoya ade a na ninjo na me kan ade ne na me hu se. Sa be ma de kra no odi kan.
Ono di kan ye ye.
Okodi ade aba ne ho. Ade ekwati di ye. Eti na wo be ma. Wo di kan akobo adwaman afa wo yere chi. Now, I have heard many people say that in mema de akwai bi so ye nyamanfo na yaji atumi se be ma de se de oti bia wo ye dai ye boy ye no emi se adwaman wo ye mojam it is never true. Now you can meet pastors and people who would justify this issue and say that be ma bi o Bible mu no abo bia we no abo we Abraham no abo David no abo Bobodian Solomon no etia so hwe Bible mu hwe New Testament Bible say so bi wo nyame mu a pachotie enye obi ba ose so obi wo mu a na mabefa Yesu oye abode ni omadede nyina se de bibia be ye na kire se na metesa kane no a mabani mu yidie sa suban ene ne ya ye tetede no endi kwa asem de nante etie ne etufo a kire wo ba ne be bia uti Yesu mu se waba ni mu dia ene de ye sum inwuma e na twi ni ame de ye sum inwuma jai because you cannot sit in the light and still walk in darkness. We are sadia now we are yin yachum. Eti bebe bia or justify the su. And in the bank I was cheating home. Like I said, Bema dear. Debbie, what if I yesu? Unmi yesu. Nyambi sro. Imagine say yesu mereso. Or you're not going to say, one name my bed or what you're about. I mean, look at the leadership of Jesus. It is we say, we are Christian Bema. We are Christian ba. Now who would nyamua? Cheating is not part of you. Now cheating and yet our dear mupe offering you can cheat. When you will be kasa say you can cheat. Yes, now teachable you are cheating. So about to say yet but cheating has become the norm of the day. It mesere maybe anya na dwene say and I remember obi an say who can say mema de we were born to cheat. We were born to cheat. And they na nya Kristo ni ti ja sori ko. Okay. The two so ni say wo be ma no we di kan akoyo. Na ye mema ye very selfish. Me nyi be ma be free. Ye nya atwom. Ye nya atwom kaka we are ungrateful. Say we di kan akobo adwaman afa wo yere na chi. Or the chair, oh, in you. And I didn't begin to be born. Make it now. My forward chi, watch me. Me ba pen am say if ya me pa show. The mean you be. Osemate, me je. One say how can mate easy. Simple. So be man the free say what the answer. When you will be baba. Moja ni umu. When you will be this year. Moja e be ni umu. Sometimes and most of the time women can easily forgive men, but men cannot forgive women when it comes to cheating. And it's so bad. Woman walk away. Opa channel oh Kofi. Eh? So but Mamika be chiro. Or the nanwa ka say chaso. But emotionally, she has to deal with herself. She has to deal with the pain. She has to work on forgiveness. That to the be a wooden a beda or kai. But was shining hoso. Oh dear, Andre ya. Ye koye ye di afrɛ ebo wa mane a wo so odo atu ene na be kan kyerɛ be makro sɛ otie ya. Every man who is cheating, when your wife cheats, you must forgive. But by nature, men are permitted to cheat. There is no scripture. Eti be be a wo fa wo yere chi nyame ya adom na wo yere so nya adom a kyɛde ni bi no for wo chi a ɛya afa kyɛ. Thank you. But it looks like by this story, the man cannot forgive. And for him, they say, no, he's out of love. Now, maybe Kenya Sasembi was say, say, one for Bonnie and check. Now, free our dealing. Now, we divorce. Now, Sako fa or Bafo fra. Sir, Bonina one fancher, the pain goes with you to the next marriage. Oh, okay. Because it was not dealt with. The pain will go with you to the next. Now you are going to express your pain, your anger, your hate towards the other woman because there's so Sana, many a fear so cheat me bold dear. Every crown on yes, sir. But any man fan channel de kohano. Thank you. Now, as a man of God and a counselor, I don't encourage divorce. Not because the Bible says so, but because in our generation today, we don't respect the value of marriage. Okay? Yeah, no, let me say yes, is one. Now you fear your clock. Oh, your baba. Now your clock air take. Now I say ye now your power dear be our shekawa. Before you enter into marriage, you must understand that marriage is not a playground. And you baby I could grow. Now what serious business? Of course, Miniaba. Now what panampu? 1 year, 2 years, 6 months. Look at the challenges sometimes you encounter. How much more marriage
for life.
Thank you. I don't think you too for said if you are not matured mentally, emotionally, because our dear Nibono and your message. Now, so when you're matured emotionally, when you're matured mentally, now what they are, you encounter a lot of challenges. Eti, adia endi kwanse ya bufuo. Adia endi kwanse ya temdidie. Adia endi kwanse ofa ukisi fifie. Adia endi kwanse udi show mudi why? Because you are not matured emotionally, you are not matured mentally, and in fact spiritually you are not mature. Eti dia ya can say divorce is not good because if you move out of this problem with divorce, you go into another one with divorce. And you're not quiet to say divorce. Now, and then, yeah, man, now, yeah, papa no be to me, I would trade 10, 5 with different women, but or you know, they were still there. But yeah, the idea, just say, Bema, your mistake back, Meja, or buy a mistake back, Meja, and a son of Becca's Meja, no will be what carry forward. The nice Bishop and Zagrano, what young race, we leave marriages anyhow, we divorce anyhow, because we cannot deal with the challenges of marriage. But one thing we need to understand is that in every marriage, there should be trials. There should be days of test. There should be days of challenges. Because you are matured and you know God. Because you are mentally matured and sound, you should be able to deal with the issue. No, don't do that. Solve it well so that the marriage continues.
I didn't decided that. And so see, I will have not said the beer or war any or no one so sorry idea no. They say no any problem no. They say also I can me but who said Sardiano I no and a year Jumano. Now Juno decided to say no there. No matter advice and penny for the baba, maybe or more cotanasia, who says still torture and then Guswa war. Now Juno Mummy and Ocrado they are there together. But
yeah, I want to hear me. Yeah, sir. We are living in the generation now. You want leaders, and now you want assume for was sorry them, be or your suffer, or your elder, or your deacon, or your instrumentalist, or your prayer tower. But the problem is that we are not allowing God and His fruits to dwell in us. Nyamisu, and the we are only gifted, but we are not bearing fruit. Some be a leader. Okay, gradually you'll be odimu. Sorry. Every leader is a mentor. Every leader must be an example to the next generation. Now, obi and the leader, what's a be and Shasudia, Sana Bukano, Ashasudia or Shasudia, an example to my next generation. Nandi JJ Awadia. The next generation will see it say, Yamia Dumna some to our easy.
Simple.
And I'm telling you, Ecophobia can 40 years, 50 years, 60 years. Go to them and ask them. So almost share challenges there. But whenever they encountered it, they solved it. Cracks in the end, I am a woman said, who were the king acquire? Now we get acquired dear, who see where Jano. Meanwhile, we get it dear, would not start on the chair. I don't know fan channel. Now, so oh, you know, said, made Dokwa. I don't understand him. So, first of all, not beginning a love and another last. Now your dog, because love forgives. Love is patient. Yes. Love is kind. Love has self-control. It is a best of what Dopan and Bedowa. And yet, is a mess of a sa. I should when you say, catcher or say, oh, the Okoya, you know, I'm a medo, a free me. No. Wakoye, I should make, but I need to work on my emotions. And yes, Sadia, or what did he be out of the Obeja?
And I said, trust them no so I can. So I found me no, so to be. Nani na wakete ana wafiri mo na opo be ma wo hwa ni case ya clearly wo de ato ho onto me
okay
nti ya do de okọ asomdwe mu asa de no ano.
But you must also understand that emiri biara onto me wo be divorce bia wo divorce a Bible say man wari biem Matthew
na de ono no de ye hu so okọ wari
obawade so ya branti onto me trans say yes ade obe masturbation and no see another sin so from sin to sin what does it onye na agene say so divorce a o divorce a na ya ma wo krata eye na ne wa na agene so de nsa ebe sha de dem no what trust the rest of his life Bible say na se divorce wa de obe wado no wado wa ono wa ye bone baako eti be man no sort ase say if you want to divorce yate because they say no why you going say odo no eko odo no eniwo biem me to be ndo ni biem utumi ndo so aye ntumi force so say chenchena ache no tra ho eti odi ekoba o kwa kai so kwa ntumi wari biem
no correct afa yensa mra back afa na counselor so abaka yensa said de no a ye share bono da afa yento so ye ne pastor Donko Adom nkomo pa ye mti we no my first question me de ma counselor permit samu akwaba
nyam ne da na say what sign dey ave come on sir
yes bibia boko dey
bibia dey boko etori bia enda form say obetu kwan abedu kuro fufuru mti say nkran bibia meti ekura e ya ma bank kakra inti bank crank kakra sa na ayeyi ama me
ye de nyame ase me ne pastor wie fambi
enti
oya dey pa dragum papa
na ma boni bete wa ha de me ba be kire ma adwen asa na me ne si kwan mu so for me chia o
me je oso
oyire ho te say
no ye
ogusu wale o
dada
selewa so for you this year so na ko break ne kura kai men kai say we refia o say we leader na wo ja wale a omo adi wachi enso ja wale na nkrofo adi wachi omo wale o ye
but
say when you set the precedent for divorce, your followers will also come and follow that precedent.
What page are you setting for them?
Are you going to marry your leader's wife?
I said you're no wife, but like said,
but you are an example.
Are
you going to an example?
No, your leader is delivering the mind because he finds himself with the wrong woman. Are you going to marry a wrong woman?
Who is the wrong woman?
The wrong woman is the one I'm divorcing.
No,
what are you talking?
No. So the fact that the woman has cheated.
Don't say these things. It's the same way like Obeka said, me baby 23 years. Na me trust na what's na press latiano. The body CCC so. No for ni jeja so. Ni ma me say na press latiano na me mpo. Me te say I won na papa ba twe me. E no nye me na be school. Enti mi so ni papa no ye wo sa no wa wale no obi ni kuro mu bio.
So the fact that the woman
So the fact is that when you divorce, you don't set any negative precedent. You set the right precedent for people to
telling
follow.
Them that.
That was just one of the things
telling
I want
them
to tell.
that.
Number two. Also for say, so Jawale, on Walibio, hey, Makasabio. Makasabio.
Mami Kasabio.
Usura Warijaya. Unya Warijaya, Pada, consider.
So are you encouraging people to divorce?
Usua, Usama, Ebebre. It's so for Tiho. Bible no, Ebwa Warijaya. Emra.
Bible na me fa sa na wona
ye baby omo agia tum se awareja ye nye no kan ha atrofo ma ye Matthew 9 uche 19 year o say ene suafo no ba Yesu ho bi sa ne se na ye se obema ebe ma ne yire awareja ye krata na o say ani o nanso nsha ase no obo won be no now so say san mo akomadinti one akomadinti awareja ye etaho poto de to so mienu se de to so mienu se obi afa me nyonko echi a ye friend cheating poto etaho enti nyama ye di ja awade de oyima
what say Matthew 19
Bible no ma ho kwan we better reading from verse 5 na
akomadinti
Bible no akomadinti enti be ma brim na akoma o se wa fa de cheating
na akoma pray ya de pa akoma pray ya de pa
me pacho what say Matthew ya me ya say ya brofo me pechi no what say Matthew 19 meboa
is it 19:9
I thought it 9 what's it 5 what's it mankind 5 no
can I just say that
5 na nya no or say and said for this reason a man shall leave his father and mother and
so
be
you read down from 5 downwards
okay
what does it but make sure the eti awadija ya wo Bible na ma prescription for divorce and you because there's no divorce what
they all can say oko say sekura was so then they are no longer two, but one flesh. Therefore, what God has joined together, let no man
Lord
separate.
And not God. Then I will.
God.
Scripture ben can King James.
Aye.
King James again Bible.
Again Bible.
No, King James.
How then they do again Bible?
NIV the original manuscript. What the Lord has put together.
Which Bible is the original one and which one is fake?
No, the original manuscript is the NIV. And you can.
Mami,
small L.
Wrong. It's totally wrong.
Me pacho tobo. Mami can't also because I'm say be here. Oko 7 or see they said to him. Why then did Moses command to give a certificate of divorce and to put her away?
Oh no, say that.
18 or say he said to them, Moses because of the hardness of your heart.
So one, hardness of heart. Two,
permitted you to divorce your wife.
Thank you.
But from the beginning, it was not so.
Thank you very much.
And I say to you, whoever divorces his wife, except for sexual immorality. So
number 2 is sexual immorality.
And marries another. Commit adultery.
Can't be brave. Sorry, they told me no him. We are good reader. Did they can say? Enti dia just jawa dia no. Oso hin omo book no watch it. Watch it said. And Quran put dia ma Quran here then say o say answer na be gina and pratwe echire aye cheating ewo awade mu aja obi no. This onya nkrofo num omo be hwe act no. What does it? To the act. 5 people to the act. And I should trust them now. Obana didn't buy and say, Wako boy, your mind into Bombono. Was it why wouldn't you Bonidano? Can it to boy? I blank you already the water to office. Some or no Johnny by the body to office. Now they're tossing you or see or my quote man, Bonnie Ben or yeah, channel. And you call me and show. You talk about so.
And hello, train. Into call me and show nice on quiet by me and
until you are caught.
No, okay, but you are misquoting scripture. No, you are misquoting scripture.
Interpreting scripture.
No, it's wrong.
No, for you. No, for you it's
for me it's wrong.
And
this is not the truth. We need to tell the generation the truth.
You think you are telling them the truth?
The truth is what is written in the Bible.
Generation, I'm telling you. Generation, I'm telling you that.
Obi akuma edria. Obi so for mami we so obi akuma edria. So for mami we enya o dey tobo mami enya de so don't encourage.
Okay, when now your point lines am fafu ka say na be tie religiously. Tie da me
be betie o.
Tie so for enti o ka so bi ja wo ntumi o say o ja wade esane say cheating. And uncle, why you know, a brandy and say, why then you're cheating, and tell one day, Bujai, uncle.
Now, Obama is so cheating.
Obian Casse, we are a chair with you to me. It's your choice to forgive. You cannot base on your forgiveness to request for forgiveness. That's your choice.
Totally wrong.
Oh, that's it. It's your choice.
No.
I say, yes, my one. Cheating is a personal decision. And I'm catching and I say the 2 things everyone, including pastor, should expect from his marriage is divorce and cheating. They are part of the marriage.
No, it is not part. No. You are getting it wrong. No way.
The safety valve in marriage is divorce. Number 3 point of care. So for you, and we are seeing one.
What they do
Obi who can say on cheating. Keep that in mind. It's your. I have not cheated behind my wife. It's lack of opportunity. Maybe I don't know. Opportunity now bank may utilize that money. I said, wow, for you chia or chira or banner one day no. The question is, a more band will boom out here. Oh,
I don't know.
One so bad who said, where you Kruma?
It's when you cheat on your wife is good. It's good. And now you saw your bema.
And you're hearing the or banner already who said, Kai, Mammy way. Send all the other pound. Now who could call one bombardier or one chair on the pa?
You are encouraging cheating. You are encouraging cheating.
Don't worry.
Totally wrong.
You're wrong in the
No, wrong.
You are right.
Yes.
Don't worry.
Thank you.
Wrong, counselor. See that?
All right.
Yeah, they were this look at them. And then they asked the job. See, me say. They told me. Eti o kan wo hosa. Enya branch and form so say o cheating yenti. And I get go cheat here. Number 2. Get nanka say o tia wade no ho no. O ye Jimmy for papa. Me to sabe that. Never ever reveal your past to your present partner. Why? Because relationship is about the present and the future, not the past. The only time your past becomes relevant is when there is something that will bring its head up, like a child. But why do you bring your rape mentality to somebody's son? Or baby out to me shady kurenim, catch a semedo, my young from sweet siao. Mene wo onyanko mienu bia me ko ne ho no wonim bia me ka ampedu oso me satu table so worry me fache me oba ne gudi for be so
but so when you oba ne the kokan so you are getting
in the story last point okay in the story akwa no see COVID-19 to be wu no ne sama bi e be brese wu a we so obebre wasasi so sa mami kan tedi ntia se wo obi yire na a privilege and opportunity a woni hwan Eko jira ni kuro nim. Eka de se me wu nti me ka ne kura.
We will be a privilege and opportunity.
Ana so bi a wa wale. O ti awade ho. Enim so ti awade ho. Ema opportunity to prove your masculinity. Bone ne de wo he.
It's everything.
There is no portion in scripture, and it's
the woman caught in adultery. What is the word adultery?
The woman caught in adultery is a woman who is married, sleeping behind. What did Jesus do to the woman?
He said, "Go and sin no more."
So the sin
it means it's wrong.
No, the sin was that she was caught.
It is not.
Okay,
Can I finish? Finish. Keep your notes.
All right.
The first thing is say it is wrong for you to go and report such a thing because in the first place we all know. Me say me do light. Na me yade osuma me say then. How on earth won't you die with such an act with somebody's wife?
Hey, there be no Boniface.
No, Boniface. No. It is a Obama only a yesano.
Oh, so when somebody offends you, you must remember and say I'm sorry.
Obama only yesano and a sodico catch any kunu. Now, what Bam, I never come Beman Jinan say obey you when ne. Obey my sa, my main pin saw you. Na minyanim nipa ba or you are enko yimame sana mbema yediem because we are sexually connected to our emotions. Men are sexually connected to their emotions. Enti eyesi a wo bema no unu oba na kura obema mbrem. Wo hia nde bi enti oba bi a ne kunu di cheating a che de bia no obre wa wade ase. Enti na me fo aso say for you to be forgiven. O fa 3 na alcohol. Na ho na ade kasa no. Na ho na gina wa chi wo ho no. Na picture na ye twa no e ba ne se na boy no gina ho de o she brown no e ba ne se na de bema e ya tare wa chi sa wonim de see da no me na me pese be see bio. Don't go through this. Divorce and have freedom.
Papa me plan what?
Everything he has said is wrong. Number 1, he is encouraging divorce.
Yes.
Number 2, he's encouraging adultery.
Yes.
Number 3, he's encouraging cheating.
Yes.
Totally wrong. Look, if you are a Christian.
Now, wait,
are you talking to Christians?
No, I'm coming.
No, are you talking
I
to
also talk to Muslims.
Oh. This is not a church.
Can you keep quiet for me to talk?
No.
Keep quiet for me to talk.
This is a missed call.
No, it's not a missed call. It's a jumping call.
No, do you understand
Call waiting. Let me talk.
It depends. Call waiting gives a tone.
It disturb me, Kakreti.
Let
me focus.
I say no, so trust and walk away. What's a hana kawaha? Was it Moses? Because of the hardness of your heart, can you divorce your wife? No, but from the beginning it was not.
It was not so. I am a Babiniaba. Because of the stubbornness.
Because Adam had Eve.
In the beginning it was not so. In other words, in the creation and in the mind of God, God never decided and had no plan that and then he said, because of the stubbornness of your heart, naturally, said, and I'm one kasa, so you're waiting and you're waiting and what you say? Yes, you said. Moses impressed in a sign of way fias, yes, only per divorce on the yonko, but beginning Nunyami Anyadisa. Tino said, what God has joined together, let no man.
Or say, what the Lord is not God. God doesn't join together.
I don't like your call waiting. So
no,
let me
God
talk.
Doesn't join together.
I don't like your call waiting. Please, who is the Lord? Who is the Lord?
Anybody who is a judge like a judge. That is why we are able to go to court to divorce.
You are wrong.
He's a pastor.
No.
This one is a simple one.
Wrong.
God
is Lord.
The
Lord of Lords.
Krata de ma wo so de mba na ya wo dia.
Enya me dia abadia.
Enti omu ja wara ya fra wo.
Omu ja wara ya.
Ye ja
wa me manu mi ka so mo
ko. Me say ye ja wara ya fra wo.
Ewo ifie.
There be some
ya fra me.
Some
ja question also.
Ye ja wara ya fra wo.
Ye ja ya wara ya.
Ya
de ba manim.
No, it's a lie.
No,
man of God, then we have to arrest you.
Listen to me.
No, you have to be arrested because
you have to be arrested.
Under the
right after today's you have to be arrested. No, let's be real. No. Don't quote
any certificate that is handed over to anybody in this country for marriage is under the jurisdiction of the High Court. So the only one who can put a sender to that marriage is a judge.
What the
Lord has
we are not talking about the law.
So the Lord is
listen to me.
So your certificate
let me talk about
yours.
No.
It's for your
so don't say
one of the people that is connected to it is the pastor.
It's not true. It's the family.
No.
No.
See, I use a grammar. One of the people. No.
You are the last thing to be connected. No, you are the last thing to be connected.
One of the people.
The last person to be connected.
One person.
The last thing
one
to be
of
connected.
the people that is connected to the marriage is the pastor, because most of the time when they are doing counseling, the pastor will be part of it. Our dear engagement, you are part of it. Say, our dear Koboni was sorry, I have the right as a man of God to invite them. Even if the family cannot solve it, as a pastor, I am the head. I am the senior pastor. I have the right, because they are my sons and daughters. Me I saw them. Not me baba ko bema awadiegu. Na ma kire say abusian de bekenti. Me kai na awade de go. Then what kind of church are you doing? Are you there to build a church for you to make people go to heaven?
Or what?
So we need to, it's not about law.
You are not reading
this
the law.
Is the responsibility
you are not,
of the shepherd.
You are not shepherd for who?
Number one, we are not permitted to divorce.
Says one
Akwenya na was say sorry energy awade.
One can.
Some sorry keke. Not because oyira ya de enye ebi enye cheating po. Osudi unu kasa meja. It doesn't make sense.
It makes sense.
Now, you must understand that
everybody
is not perfect, and there is no perfect people on earth or perfect person on earth. Obia wo mereyo, obia wo sinto, but sinto e bi di biechi. Now, you don't just get up and say be divorced.
It's not just.
You need to consult.
You don't know what I'm going through. Don't say just.
No. What
don't
are you going through? What
I'm losing my potency.
What are you going through? No, what are you going through? Huh? Oh, why do you know? Now, what do you go far? No. Ono ne dia no. Help, because emotionally you are not strong.
Because a man is connected emotionally to his man.
A woman is also connected to her feelings.
It's not true.
It is true. Everything
sexuality is not true. No woman is connected to their sexuality.
No, it's true.
No woman is connected. No woman is connected to their sexuality. When you say about
I don't like your co-waiting.
No. People now answer.
Women are connected to their sexual life. Is connected to their emotions. Who hurt you about? Oh yeah, dear Neshina. Only ne koda and our person in yam pasukita hudie. Some wo bema edden mobile. Said obenya no orgasm. Edden so benya no bogani say obeya wet and now no. Why? Because once she is hurt, her emotions. Thank you. But bitterness obema. We are the day. I enjoy obeda hosedia. So if you are talking about men, some men, their sexual whatever drive is connected to their pain or whatever. It is not also true. It is women. Men, we deal with our mind. Okay? Bema na jinu odu. We do bonde kra wo da wo yoro for sando be da. Ni bema be sorry, obe fa ne ho. Enuti na bema ene obe yire da. Ni yam hihye ne si wanya ye be chi but still obe. But oba a person will be kun da. Na ni yam shi no be catch us. I am not comfortable around this area. Let's move out, go to another hotel because thank you. So it tells you that a man they are drive.
Let's stop. They need a better environment. Women need environment for good sexual intercourse.
So, excuse me, you are distracting me. You are distracting me. Me pesa. All right. So, near people.
Environment to look for good sexual intercourse. That is what they need.
Oh, don't mind him. Don't listen to me. Nobody should listen to me again. Don't ask me any question again.
Stop
ask me all the questions.
So,
Obabia, I think. So, dear, etin awadefo eti awade ase wo ba awade eti awade ase a wo ye na de na hye na wotwe bi no do saka na emfa a kire wa pecho wasere no enyanya atwem eye wodo ene atenka opa de chewa or the chewa wo de hye de eko and won fan chewa so a wo boso a tan
so far kase
and so for asamna mini abema no case or the buy de awarija in the own place
awarija mempere why bi Nenso so the air can say or say or don't ni hobie to me now when somebody tells you I don't love you again to me for so the searching chinachi so once he has taken his decision and he has made his choice he lives with it e ono anasem e oni nyame ntemasem nyabe bechianeka ochianeka obebre ombre beye yenye God that's all.
No Mama concern so enti bema no say o so oja aware no odo no ni ho Waye bia eni ho.
Watch. Abrantie frame na me even boy nja awade ntisi na ho nto.
Abrantie frame na me tofu.
Ye hia o se obekọ soro ahime.
Abrantie frame na me tofu.
Na kai say awade jaye before you go through divorce, you need counseling for divorce. During divorce, you need counseling. After divorce, you need counseling. So you be prepared to marry again. If you divorce and you don't marry again, you are causing damage to society because Oba bia onwale, bema bia onwale, you are useless in society. Your purpose on earth is to come and get married. Well, if you are tien komo yiyo, there so for kan nyina, wa kire na adwen kama. Na me amiti he dia. Me ne nya adwen. Adentia. Die di kan. Yentumi ngina so nka se wo ye no or the chair wenti won so fa che no.
That's like that. Ha tie we. Yeah, another a year. Matthew 5:32. What's about I say to you that whoever divorces his wife for any reason except sexual, we can't finish. Baby, I'm kind about when I order no. I na me way.
No said Diana accept Yana can't yanko. He has permitted divorce with conditions. Yanko any. If you are Tia can Bible one shana.
Tio, I hadn't ever done. Moment to
I said yeah, there.
I bet order. How about yes, and yana dead in Cuba like over to the nature and I say. But I said to you that whoever divorces his wife for any reason except sexual immorality causes her to commit adultery. And whoever marries a woman who is divorced commits adultery.
That is why we give certificates of divorce. And and you know, number says of who say, the entire Gazati and say, and Jawa, the Nya one year, the Jawa. Who are you fear our dear share a bush of pennies? Who are it? I was sorry, Emre ye, or friend then, quarter, the Dika, our dear Eshe, Emransa. And Timothy says of war. Me baby say o jaya waria me George Lutrot. Ma ho den he fa na si. Ensi baby a.
Ensi baby.
Baby te me am che dey say ensi baby a. De di kan. Omo aja wade ye busuafo, enye sofo. Sofo bia won say wabo kola, obo mpa wa engagement say no ni bibia ye. Okom na de no ko ho. De to so mienu tie. If you say
how can you say this? How can you say this?
That's what I just said.
Sofo bi oba bless engagement so
no.
No, it doesn't show respect. No, abusia na frame say be be.
Na say hu ni fa so.
One is universe. Abusia from ya.
Abusia.
And why Abusia na say yourself?
Na say my yo nyina say ne fam ti. Abusia penyi wa say. Abusia penyi wa say. Abusia penyi wa say.
One can say. Abusia penyi shira wa.
Mama say we. Abusia penyi shira wa dey.
For now I'll come back.
I said dey di kan no. Nyama be your ba ho dey abusia penyi ne tro mai. Enti so for dey wo ye nchine kun wa yidam. Na say me hwe so for no so for gina ho. Afa Bible. Kadi machi. Under the law, no man of God has the right to go into any traditional home and pronounce vows.
Even when
it's illegal.
No, but engagement we don't accept vows. Engagement we don't accept vows.
So when you go be ache, you follow. Next week. Otako.
I do.
Yadi kawa. Esha bemansa. Se me din tro amu nyina mo nka.
Oh, traditional marriage.
Me say.
Oh, say any no sa no. Wo ye bibia
me say.
And they okọ nyina.
Me say.
Fake gathering.
So for the kawa.
No,
ebo ampaye gu so.
No.
E ka kira brantie ni say kandi mechi in traditional marriage.
And the someone got it wrong.
O say.
Someone got it
wrong.
So
come na dey no yanko yanim tie number 2. Yedi kind of let's learn say
the time no crash
time enti na be so tie ase say yedi sa awode ni share mi sem se menya awade no eye mra nam de ye adwuma emra ne say awade jaye eka ho. The law permits divorce, so what the law has put together, the law can put ascender.
You are looking at the law.
Lord has never put anything together.
You are looking at the law.
Even me, my marriage was not put together by the Lord. It was put together by the Lord.
Number is 0244 515544 0244 515544. Obetumi asend WhatsApp abaso. Obetumi so afrem.
Yes.
Obeso di mechi on Facebook. DY Donko. Donko no ends with H, not R. That's all.
Thank you.
That's say, men don't live in a dying marriage and die and go to hell. Divorce is part of marriage. It's permitted biblically, legally, and traditionally. Men fa obi born in chen wa wari mu and punishing afterwards. And your bear man now ocean baby I will be an chron na me iboko. We a mobile money at the same time. 0277 what's a mesre na mefre 609 644 awade boni manipa dani ba boni wasasi so 0277 609 644 uyu obi yire na akoka che na ubewu ntem wa bebre na uyu obi yire de ko aduro so a enka je se o hye obi yire o hye obi yire de ne da ye bompa yetia we be kan
wa hye de woka wa hye de woka
ya ha na brema kwan na Afisem enkomo na ye sha ase enu abefem na ne awie mpanifo mienu ye di eche ye nwie enkomo no da
divorce ya ja so
no ya so
ya nyin so
ya so
na ye na se dai
ya de asika mi di afia ama kwa ama ko me ko no I have never signed it.
No.